Untitled, the first generation Challenger was an extremely popular car in its day, and this third generation Challenger inherits dramatic motifs from these times, first appearing as a concept car at the 2006 Detroit Motor Show. It received serious attention from fans, not only from the US, but from around the globe. 2 years later, at the 2008 Chicago Motor Show, the production model Challenger SRT8 officially debuted. The new generation rear-wheel drive model shares its 60 platform with the 300C. Though the body on the chassis is modernized, the low front mask and the dynamic characteristic lines on the body sides are clearly inherited from the first generation Challenger. In addition, the power unit equipped in this model is extreme, to say the least. The 6.1L 6059cc OHV V8 Hemi engine by SRT, the department that handles Chrysler's high-performance models, produces 425 bhp, with a maximum torque of 420.2 lb-ft. This is a huge engine that brings to mind muscle cars of times past. To handle this immense amount of power, the chassis has of course been tuned and graced with Brembo brakes with massive 14mm front and 13mm rear brake discs, and is also equipped with a traction control system as standard. This is the perfect harmony of retro and modern, a real 21st century American muscle car.